How to fix login error on Facebook. For this, first and foremost, make sure that you have entered the correct credential of your Facebook account. That means your username and your password. If you have got your credentials wrong for quite a lot time, make sure to try it again after a few breaks. Then you can try this method to turn off your Wi-Fi and switch it to your mobile data, or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds. Then turn it back off and switch it to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also make sure that if you are using a VPN, make sure to disable it and try to log in once again. On to the next step. Press and hold your Facebook application and head to App Info. From here, force stop the application, then go to Storage and Cache. From here, you have to clear the cache. Exit from here, then open your Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar, search for your Facebook application. In here, if you find any update remaining, make sure to update your application. If not, try by uninstalling the application and reinstall it once again. By doing this, if your issue is not solved, here comes the next solution. Open your Google application and search for Facebook Help Center, or just search for Facebook Help. Tap on the first suggestion, that is Help Center-Facebook. Tap on Login and Password. From here, you have to tap on Trouble logging into your account. Then tap on Recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. Here it will mention some of the ways you can recover your account. If this does not work, scroll to the very up, then tap on the link given to you. Right here, enter your mobile number that is linked to your Facebook account, then hit on the search bubble. Select your account that belongs to you, and either try by entering a password or select Send Code option. Once you do this, you'll be able to recover to your Facebook account. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.